It started off as a normal day. You leave early for the office, grabbed your morning coffee, and we're planning out your day. You take a deep breath. Let's see. 5:30 a.m., checking email, 6 a.m., scheduling appointments for the service techs that day, 7 a.m., making sure all of the right equipment is arriving that week, 8 a.m., meeting with vendors at the job site to check progress, the rest of the day troubleshooting. That's the plan. Everything's normal. Just another typical day. But wait, something caught your eye. A note with a reminder, you have to work on the monthly numbers to make sure everything's running smoothly. At the computer, staring at the spreadsheet, you suddenly realize, holy crap, you ran out of new customer leads. Maybe you just spaced it out and forgot to order more from your lead guy. Whatever it is, your business is going to take a hit next month because your lead guy will need time. You send out a quick email to him asking for more leads as soon as possible. But you know it'll take him at least a week, maybe longer. Before you jump to scheduling the service techs, you take another deep breath and a thought crosses your mind. Is there a better way to get leads flowing in all the time instead of having to order new ones from that guy every month? I've forgotten a few times already. The last time I forgot caused a dip in our business the next month. The leads he sends aren't that great anyway. Isn't there a better way? You remember that month very clearly. There were a few days when the men were just sitting around with nothing to do. You took a hit that month and you felt it for a couple of months after. You vowed you would never make that mistake again. And yet here you are, playing catch up. You might lose 2 weeks next month because of this lapse. You've been meaning to find another source where you wouldn't have to worry about both the quantity and quality of those leads. That guy's leads are only so good anyway. There's got to be a better way. If you're asking that question, we are here to help.
Hi, my name is George Johnson from George Digital SEO Agency. My job is to get you leads every week, every month, all year long. This video is just 6 minutes long, yet it could change your HVAC business forever. Just 90 days from today, you could be enjoying a stream of new leads contacting you by phone or email to inquire about large jobs in your area. There is a little-known strategy, simple but powerful, that is now being used by top HVAC owners and managers just like you to pull in automatic leads every week, starting in as little as 90 days. Ken Goodrich, celebrity author who wrote with Michael Gerber, The E-Myth HVAC Contractor, Why Most HVAC Companies Don't Work and What to Do About It, is using this strategy to make more than $200 million a year in his HVAC business. It's the same strategy I use to increase my own leads by 10 times. Now my schedule is fully booked every month with new leads trying to grab my attention so I can help them do the same for their HVAC business. You've probably seen these strategies used by other companies and organizations, Amazon, Macy's, Facebook, the NFL, and now I'm going to share them with you so you can use them to build your company. These strategies are rarely used in the HVAC industry. They can help you increase your lead flow, educate your market, and convert your leads into sales. Check these out. 1. Visitor traffic to your website. There are basically two types of visitor traffic to your website. Pay per click, also known as PPC, is paid traffic, and organic search, which is SEO, that stands for search engine optimization, and is unpaid traffic from search engines like Google. Companies that are just getting started need to consider both sources of traffic. PPC will help you get traffic quickly, but it is paid, so once you stop paying, the traffic stops flowing. It's a pricey option. SEO takes a little longer to get traffic, but is the best solution for companies planning on staying in business for a long time. Once you get ranked, which usually takes upwards of 90 days or so, the traffic flows consistently and can continue to grow. If you are a local HVAC business, I can help with SEO that will get you ranked on the first page of Google, so you can start to get traffic to your website. 2. Once you have a consistent flow of traffic coming to your site, you'll want to set up an automation system to pull those leads into your email inbox. This will ensure that you are able to reach out to the visitors so you can communicate with them regularly. Most HVAC companies don't know how to market using email, so they're losing out on all of their traffic. Email capture and management is extremely important to build your business this year. 3. Conversion strategies are the third step and equally as important as the first two. If you don't have a strategy that converts your leads into sales, you won't be able to hit your sales goals, and ultimately your business will suffer. If you're doing all of these now, then more power to you, and I applaud your efforts. If you're not doing these, then I encourage you to download my ebook, the HVAC Guide to Getting More Clients, where I explain in detail how to improve your sales by increasing traffic and conversion rates. Below, you can add your first name and email to grab the ebook. It's free. You'll learn a lot, and it will help you improve your HVAC marketing. I'll also add you to my email list, where I send out regular tips on how to increase your HVAC sales by optimizing your website, getting more traffic, and improving conversion rates. Go get it here down below. Thanks for your time. See you on page 1.